Hello, and welcome to our video series on making the most of your WIC food benefits. Today, we're focusing on milk options available for you and your family. Milk and milk alternatives provided by WIC are rich in calcium, essential for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Let's dive into all of the different options. You can buy any brand of refrigerated, fat-free, 1%, 2%, or whole pasteurized cow's milk in quarts, half gallons, or gallons. You also have options for up to 12-ounce size of evaporated milk, powdered dry milk in 9.6 to 56.4 ounce containers, ultra-high temperature milk, lactose-free cow's milk in half gallons, milk alternatives like soy milk, goat milk, and kefir. For information on the WIC-approved brands and allowable sizes, view the food list in the Easy WIC app or on the website at azwicfoodlist.com. Imagine your family balance summary shows 1 gallon of skim or 1% cow's milk, 2 half gallons of 0% or 1% lactose-free milk, and 2 gallons of soy milk issued and available. Using this example, you could buy 1 gallon of 1% cow's milk, 2 half gallons of fat-free lactose-free milk, and 4 half gallons of soy milk. Soy milk is available in quarts or half gallons. The food balance updates with each purchase and can be viewed in the Easy WIC app under the eWIC card balance section. You don't need to buy everything in a single trip. Purchases can be made anytime during the benefit month. Check your family balance summary or the Easy WIC app for your specific food balance, as milk and milk alternatives may not be included in every package. We hope this information will improve your grocery shopping experience. If you have any questions about food items while shopping, contact the Arizona WIC Shoppers Helpline at 1-866-927-8390 or email at azwicshoppershelpline@azdhs.gov. For questions about the food list or how to use your eWIC benefits, contact your local WIC clinic.